Hello students, today we will start binary number system. What are the binary number? Binary number system is a number system which is understood by computers. It means which number system or is computer using, that is called binary number system. If we talk about which number system we are using decimal number system, because in that we have 10 different numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The 10 number different numbers we are having 0, 1, 2, 3, 9. This is called decimal number system. But computer does not understand decimal numbers. Whenever we input anything in the computer will convert this decimal numbers into another form that is called binary numbers. And in binary number there are only two different numbers, that is 0 and 1. So this binary number system having the base 2 because it have two different numerical values 0 and 1, two different numbers only. And humans are using the decimal number system. Here we are having 10 different base numbers. Okay. Now first we will talk about how we can change decimal numbers to binary number. For example, suppose I am given 107 as a decimal number. So its base is 10. Now I need to convert in binary numbers. We only need to simply do that. I will divide 107 by 2. I divided it from 2, that will be 5 and in the 10 and here 3, and I will write remainder here, that is 1. You just need to divide by 2 because in the binary numbers the base is 2, so we are dividing with 2 and I will write remainder here. So now again dividing with 2, I will get this 2 times and 6 and remainder is 1. Again divided with 2, that is 1 and 3 13 and remainder is 0. Dividing with 2, I will get the quotient is 6 and remainder is 1. Just simply divide with 2, write the quotient here and remainder this side. Again dividing with 2, I will get 3 and remainder is 0. Again with 2, I will get quotient 1 and remainder is also 1. Again divided with 2, the quotient is 0 and remainder is 1. You need to divide till the quotient is 0. Till the quotient is 0. You need to divide again and again with 2. Now after dividing, just write in the reverse side. So 107 will be equal to 1101, 1101, 011, 011 with the base 2. You need not to write that the 107 is in the binary number system, it is 11011011. We simply make a bracket and write in the subscription that is 2. So it is clearly showing it is a binary number, and while writing 10 here, it is showing that this number is decimal number. So in this way we can convert any decimal number to binary number. Simply, what is the rule? First, divide with 2, write the quotient individual and remainder individual, and divide by 2 again and again till the quotient is 0. After that, write all the remainders in the reverse order. Okay? So thus we can change decimal number to binary number. Now we will talk about how to convert binary number to decimal number. It means binary number को हम decimal number में कैसे convert कर सकते हैं. I am taking the same question in the binary format and I will now convert it in decimal format. What you simply need to do, just take all these numbers multiplied with 2. 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2 and 0 into 2. After that 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2. I have multiplied every term with 2 and added them. Now taking the powers, so starting with 0 and with the reverse order. It means here I will put 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2. The power is 3, power is 4, power is 5, power is 6. Okay? Start in the reverse order to put the values, putting the power from starting with 0, 1, 2 and so on, from the rightmost part to leftmost digit. So what will I get? Here 2 raised to power 6. It means that will be equal to 64. 64 into 1, that is 64, plus that will be equal to 32 into 1, it means 32. This will be equal to 0 into something, it means 0, plus 1 into 1 to 2 raised to power 3, it means that will be 8. 0 into 4, it means 0. 1 into 2 means 2 and that will be 0. Sorry, that is 1 and 2 raised to power 0, that means 1. So now with the adding this all the term, I will get 10, 100, 104, 5, 6, 7, 107 on the base 10. Okay? So thus I can change binary number to decimal and decimal number to binary. जब हमें decimal number given है and binary में convert करना है, तो simply we will divide with the 2 and quotient को individual लिखेंगे and remainders को individual लिख के रहेंगे till that जब तक कि हमें 0 ना मिल जाए as a quotient. After that हम इसको reverse order में सारे remainders लिखने हैं. ओके ओके. नाउ अब बाइनरी टू डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करना है. सिंपली हर एक टर्म को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. बाइनरी नंबर में जितने भी टर्म्स हैं, जितने भी डिजिट्स हैं, सबको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. ओके. एंड लास्ट से 2 की पावर 0 से स्टार्ट करेंगे. 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 एंड न्यूमेरिकली सॉल्व करके हमने इसकी वैल्यू निकाल ली. दैट इज अगेन 107 base 10. Now we will understand how could we add and subtract two binary numbers. Now, the addition of two binary numbers. Before knowing that, you just remember the rule of adding binary numbers. 1 plus 0, that is 1. 1 plus 1, that will be 10. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that will be 11. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that will be 11 plus 100. And now to understand this, just remember that suppose I am writing here the binary numbers and decimal numbers. Okay, if I am written binary number 0, it means 0 into 2 raised to power 0, because it is only one digit. Okay, so that will be 0 in the decimal number format. If I am writing 1, it means 1 2 raised to power 0. 1 means this. That will be again 1. It means in the binary number and decimal number, 0 is equal to 0 and 1 is equal to 1. There is no difference between 0 and 1. But when I am talking about 10, this 10 means 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2, here 2 raised to power 0, here 2 raised to power 1. It means this is 2 plus 0, and in the decimal number it is 2. It means when I am writing 2 in the decimal format, it means that in the binary number system it is 10. It means in the binary number system where our counting will be continue 0, 1, after that 10, after that 11, and so on. Because we cannot be use 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And 11 means 1 into 2 raised to power 1, 1 into 2 raised to power 0. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay? So, do you understand this thing? 0 means again in the decimal and binary 0 0 same, 1 1 same. But I'm right when I'm saying in 2 in the decimal format, it means it is in 10 in binary format. 3 in decimal format, it means it is 11 in binary format. So after the 11, I'm having 100. Here I don't have 12 because 2 तो मेरे पास है ही नहीं. Okay? मेरी काउंटिंग ऐसे ही चलेगी 0 1 0 1 and 0 1 ऐसे इंक्रीज होगा. So here it is 1 into 2, or you can split like this. This is 2 2 2 2 raised to power 0 1 and 2. Okay, so this is 0 into 2 raised to power 0. It means 0. 0 into 2 raised to power 1. It means 0. 1 into 2 raised to power means 4. It means 100 means that is 4. So after 100, what will I have? After 100, I will again have 101. 101. That will be 5. 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 0. Multiply them and add them. 1 to 2 raised to power 0 means 1 into 2 raised to power 0 means 1. This is 0, this is 4. So this will be 5. So in the decimal, when I am writing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, in the binary I will write 0, 1, this will be 10, this will be 11, this will be 100, this will be 101, and this will be 110, and so on. Thus our counting will be continuous. So now I thought you can understand this better. In the binary 101, in the decimal 1 plus 0, both will be the same because 1 and 0 आपके decimal and binary दोनों में same ही होता है. So 1 plus 0 it means 1. 1 plus 1 it is 2. 2 in decimal, but in the binary we don't have 2, we directly have 10. Okay, we don't have 2, we directly have 10. Okay, now 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3, but in the binary we don't have 3, we directly have 11. Or I can understand like this, you can understand like this. 1 plus 1 plus 1, it means I can write 1 plus 1, it is 10 in the binary, plus 1 that is 11. Okay, आपको बाइनरी में ऐड करना है तो आप इस टाइप से कर सकते हो, और आप डायरेक्ट लर्न करके रख सकते हो उसे, और ऐसे भी अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हो 1 plus 1 plus 1 यानी 3, और 3 जो है हमारा वो हमारा 11 होता है डेसिमल, सॉरी बाइनरी के अंदर 11 होता है एंड डेसिमल के अंदर 3 होता है. अगेन यहाँ 1 plus 1 एंड 1 plus 1. आप चाहो तो ऐसे भी समझ सकते हो कि ये 10 और ये 10 है तो 10 plus 10, मैं 10 और 10 को ऐड करूँ तो 0 plus 0 तो 0 हो गया. 1 plus 1 2 हुआ, बट 2 तो हमारे पास बाइनरी में लिखने के लिए होता ही नहीं है, 2 की जगह डायरेक्टली होता है 10. So this is 100. Okay, or you can like understand like this: 1 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 1 since 12 नहीं होता है तो ये 3 हो, 12 नहीं होता है एंड 11 का मतलब इटसेल्फ क्या है 3 है, 3 प्लस 1 4 है और आप डायरेक्टली ऐसे कर सकते हैं 1 प्लस 1 प्लस 1 प्लस 1 4 और 4 मीन्स 100. 10 अगर आपके पास 1 प्लस 1 प्लस 1 प्लस 1 प्लस 1 इट मीन्स 5 है तो 5 मीन्स 101. आप कन्वर्सेशन करते हुए भी उसे यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ आई विल एड सम टर्म्स in binary format. Let us suppose these two numbers are given in the binary format and I need to add. हम सिंपल डेसिमल फॉर्मेट में या सिंपल हम मैथमेटिक्स में क्या करते हैं, पीछे से अलाइन होने चाहिए तो आप राइट मोस्ट साइड को अलाइन करके लिखेंगे. आगे गैप आता है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, पीछे से अलाइन होने चाहिए. ओके, नाउ स्टार्ट एडिंग 1 प्लस 1. इन द डेसिमल इट इज ट्रू बट बाइनरी में 2 होता ही नहीं है. तो बाइनरी में 0 1 के बाद सीधा क्या आता है 10. तो 0 1 के बाद सीधा 10. तो 10 का 0 यहाँ, ये जो 1 है ये कैरी फॉरवर्ड हो जाएगा उसके ऊपर. ओके, हमने इसे कैरी फॉरवर्ड कर दिया नेक्स्ट कॉलम पे. अब यहाँ नेक्स्ट कॉलम में जब कैरी फॉरवर्ड हो गया तो अब इनको ऐड करो. 1 प्लस 0 1 एंड अगेन 1 प्लस 1 दैट इज 2. But in the binary we don't have 2, that is 10. So in the 10 this is 0 and again I will carry forward 1. So 1 plus 0 that will be 1. 1 plus 1 that is 10. So 10, 0 is here and the 1 will be carried forward. Again 1 plus 1 it is 2, 2 means 10. 10 plus 1 it means 11. So 1 is here and 1 is carried forward. Again it is 1. 1 plus 0 it is 1 and this is 1. This is your binary number after addition. If you wish you can check in the decimal format also. Convert in the decimal format. What will the first number will be? 1 0 1 1 0 0 1. So it will be like this. Two from the last 2 0 2 raised to power 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. After multiplying and add this I will get that will be 1, this is 0 and here this is 0. This will be 8 and 16, 32 into 0 0 and this is 64. So add this all, I will get that will be total 89 in the decimal format. Okay, and what is the second number is? This is the first number and second number is 11011. Convert it also. I will get 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 3 and 2 raised to power 4. It means that multiplying both of them I will get 1 into 1 1, 2 into 1 2, 4 into 0 0, 8 into 1 8 and that is 16. So with the adding all of this I will get, this is the 10 20 26 27 27 with the base 10. Okay, now look at here, when I'm adding 89 and 27 I will get 6 1 and 116 after adding them. Let's check Is this result is also 116? The term is 11101, 11101 and 00. So again, 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 4, 2 raised to power 5 and 2 raised to power 6. So here I will get 0 into 1, 0, 0 into 2, 0, 1 into 4, 4, 0 into 8, 0, 8 and this is 16, 16 and this will be 32 and this will be 64. Now add these terms, what I will get? There is 60, 80, 116 on the base 10. So either we are adding with the decimal, the result is same, or in the binary format the result will be the same. This I have you verified with the decimal format. You just need not to this all these things, you just need to add the binary format. Okay, now we will try to understand how to subtract in binary number system. Subtraction in binary number system. Just remember the rules. As you know that 0, 1 and 1, 0 are same in decimal and binary. So 0 minus 0 will be 0, 1 minus 0 will be 1, same as decimal and in binary, both are in the both number system, this will be the same. 1 minus 1, that is 0. And now 0 minus 1, we cannot subtract 0 minus 1. We cannot find this 0 minus 1. So what we will do? We will do that we will borrow some 1 from the left part of the given question. From the left part I will borrow 1. So this 0 will become 10. And now for 10 minus 1. Now we know that what is the 10 in the decimal number? 2. Okay? In the binary system it is 10, but in the decimal it is 2. So 2 minus 1 is again now 1. Okay students? Now we will consider a question. We are considering the previous question as it is. Now considering this question, always align from the rightmost side. Okay, see? Now subtract this. 0 minus 1. We cannot subtract 1 from 0. So I need to borrow. Since again we don't have anything to borrow from here, so I will borrow from here. So this 10 is cancelled out. Now it is 0. I am taking 10 1 here. So now it is 10. From 10, 10 means in the decimal it is 2 only. Okay. So from 10, 1 will become here. So it will become 10 and this 10 minus 1 is now 1. Okay. When I am taken 1 from here, this will be now become 1. Okay. Now this 10 minus 1. What is the 10 minus 1? It means 10 means 2. 2 minus 1, that is 1. 1 minus 0, this will be 1. 0 minus 0, that is 0. Now again 0 minus 1, I cannot subtract 1 from 0. So borrowing here is 1 and it will be 0. Now from 10 minus 1, it will be 1. Not 9. 10 means 2 in the decimal format. So 2 minus 1, that is 1. Okay. Now 0 minus 1, again I cannot subtract from 0. So I will take 1 here and this will be 0 now. Okay. Now 10 minus 1, that will be 1. Okay. Now 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. In the previous question, we have already converted this value, that is equals to 116. and this will be equal to 89, and after subtracting I get 27. This is this value. So just follow the rule of the subtraction. 0 minus 1 we cannot subtract, so I will borrow from the left term. Okay, and now it will be 10. 10 means in the decimal it is 2. So 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0. 1 minus 0 will be 1 minus 0 will be 1, and 0 minus 0 will be 0. Okay, then now I thought it is very clear what is the binary number, how could we convert from binary to decimal, decimal to binary, and how we can add and subtract two binary numbers. Okay, class? Thank you.